Welcome to Howie's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a simple way to cook perfect asparagus. Before you start, let's get your grill heating up. Take your rinsed and dried asparagus, and first thing we're going to do is we're going to trim it. One way to do this is you can take and gently flex them, and where it snaps is where you're going to want to trim, and then you can put that back with the bunch and use your knife and cut. Now that we've got them trimmed, place them on a small dish or on a plate, and we're going to drizzle with some olive oil, and then we're going to season with salt and pepper, and we're going to toss those to coat. When the grill's ready, place the asparagus on the grill perpendicular to the openings in the grate. Let them cook for approximately 10 minutes. We're going to rotate them periodically to evenly cook it throughout. You want to see a little bit of blistering on the bottom side. After about 10 minutes, we're going to check for doneness. They should be like a bright green and tender, and then we're going to remove those from the grill and we're going to serve immediately.